That stanky old bank that your client's using, it is costing you time, it's costing you actual profit, and is probably putting your client's business at risk. So today, I'm gonna show you what a way better option looks like. We are doing a demo day of Relay, sponsor this video. It is a business banking solution that was lovingly built from the ground up to make the accountant's life easier. I'm gonna run you through it, and at the end, share how they just launched a brand new partner program to help support your firm. Okay, straight out of the gate, I'm logging in, I can see all my Relay banking clients all in one place. If they have Relay accounts, they are here. And you might have noticed when I logged in there, it was actually my login credentials. Imagine that, not logging in with your client's credentials. So from here, I can manage access, not just for myself, but for my team, set each of their permission levels. And honestly, that might be all you needed to see, because this whole headache of clients giving you their access, 2FA codes going to clients, the client setting me up as a user, and then my staff using that login, this solves so many access issues. To this day, no joke, I still get banking alerts where clients evidently set me up with access. I have no idea who it is or how to untangle that mess. So just do it the right way from the beginning, okay? Now let's say I wanted to get a client onto Relay, super easy. I'm gonna say add client, decide whether I want to complete the application myself or have them do it. And I have done these apps before, they've genuinely made it about as easy as possible. But I'm gonna show you what an actual account looks like. When they're getting started, up here you'll see 4 setup steps. First, you can create whatever accounts you need, up to 20 banking accounts, 2 savings accounts. Create those accounts instantly, doesn't require calling the bank or having to jump through any extra hoops. Next, you'll link an external account, probably the bank account they're using now. Relay uses Finicity to make this easy. Hop in, find their bank, log in, and after they're connected, down here at the bottom, it's actually gonna show you all the recurring payments that are hitting that account if you wanna migrate them to your new Relay account. Pretty handy. Then last step is to pull some money over to the new account. Only users with the super administrator permission level can do this. Couple last notes on access, because they have put a lot of thought into this. You got 2-factor authentication, good, important to have. And the codes actually go to you because you aren't piggybacking somebody else's account. But if I go down here to team, I can add other users from the business with one of 7 different permission levels. And if your client has multiple businesses, here under settings, I can add any other business they have, and they can manage all of their banking goods inside of Relay. I had a whole bunch of clients with 20 plus little LLCs. This makes that all way easier to manage. Now, Relay does more than just make access to banking easy. It does some other cool stuff that's gonna save you a pile of time. So let's drill into an actual bank account here. If I hit details, I've got the account and the routing numbers, instructions for how to receive wires, even a bank verification letter I can download for anyone who needs those banking details. Again, no call required to the bank. We can move money between accounts as you'd expect, but we can also set up auto transfer rules. We can do this based on a maximum balance threshold or the profit first style percentage-based transfers. For example, if you're gonna set up a tax savings account. And the transaction data itself makes the bookkeeping much easier. So for example, let's take a look at some transactions here. We got a check that the client deposited from Uptown Hotels, deposited by Stacy Smith, includes the memo and the check images themselves, so you don't have to track those down. But it also gives you extra background information about the vendor. So here's a purchase from Sutter Stockton. I don't know what that is, but here it says parking lots and garages. I got a phone number, website, address, much more than you would just otherwise get from the merchant description on a bank statement, right? Now we can connect Relay to our Xero or QuickBooks Online accounts. You get all the banking goodies into there, and this is a direct integration to the accounting software, not a third-party banking connection. This means the bank feeds will actually work, and you get way more rich data going into the accounting system, much more than just like those merchant descriptions. Now let's talk card management, because most SMBs frankly, are really bad at this, but it's not entirely their fault because most banking solutions don't really give you any flexibility here. Big percentage of the clients I worked with had staff sharing cards that were oftentimes under the business owner's name. Goes without saying, bad idea for a number of reasons. But with Relay, we can issue up to 50 physical or virtual cards super quickly and easily. So we'll create a card, physical or virtual, and here we can give one person or multiple people access, manage your spending limits for the card, set a PIN, freeze the card, all of that just straight from the web app, easy as that. Now see a receipts button here? Yeah, they are launching receipt management at the end of this month, but let's look at payments. Here is how easy it is to make a payment. Pick the contact, pick the payment method, even ask the recipient to provide payment details, and then check this little box to have them complete a W-9 before taking payment. Then come 1099 time in January, you can actually batch download W-9s for all of your clients. Imagine, just imagine that. And Relay Pro will let you do even more with bill pay. Sidebar, did I mention everything thus far is free? No account fees, no minimum account balances, no overdraft fees. With Relay Pro, which you do pay for, you can connect Relay to Xero or QBO, and it'll pull in all the unpaid bills. So check this out. We hit See Action Items. These are all the unpaid bills that have come in from my accounting software. And we can now review and pay these bills in batch. Neat! Now, because Relay loves accountants, they also integrate with some of the other apps you use. Dext, HubDoc, Gusto. But to prove their love for you, they actually just launched a brand spanking new partner program that covers 1, all the killer stuff you just saw, business banking. 2, you get a dedicated account manager, an actual human being that you can build a relationship with, and will make sure that your support inquiries aren't just sucked into some black hole somewhere. 3, a new approach to partner rewards. 4, they're launching an advisor directory to help clients who are already happy Relay users find you, come hire you for accounting, bookkeeping, whatever. And 5, sponsorship opportunities for your firm through Relay's ambassador program. I'll link the specifics for the new partner program below, along with a link to book a demo with Relay if you're ready for just plain old better banking. Pretty powerful stuff, massive quality of life improvement for you. And if you are stuck on how do I get my clients to switch to a better bank, as I once was, last week on the podcast, I actually ran through how to get your clients onto better banking tech. It is easier to do than you would think. Better bank, better bank, better bank, 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 better bank, better bank, better bank, better bank, bank, bank.